Good morning. And you can see in the background the match is going on between Federal Bank and RBL. This is the semi-final for Silver Cup. This is the 6th edition of Banking Cricket Fest, Janapriya Upscale Banking Cricket Fest, and has been successfully going on for the last 6 seasons. This season has also been pretty good, pretty actively participated by several players, and almost exactly 12 teams have participated in this tournament also. And Janapriya is headed by an avid cricketer himself, Mr. Kranti Kiran Reddy is an avid cricketer, and he understands the necessity of corporate employees getting a break in the weekend.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Jayesh Kumar, Deputy Vice President of Federal Bank, and this is our second season in our BCF Banking Cricket Fest, conducted by Columbia Sports Club. So, and sponsored by Janapriya Upscale. Even Janapriya Upscale is a renowned name in real estate sector in Hyderabad. Thank you so much, Columbia Sports Club and the Janapriya Upscale, for conducting such a good tournament.
So Janapriya Upscale Banking Cricket Fest has always been a wonderful tournament to play. It happens yearly. In fact, a lot of players have been asking us to make this, half yearly. That's something I think the committee has been, pondering about. Well, I mean, you never know if it happens. If it happens, great. But as of now, it's an annual event. Who knows? I mean, going forward, it could become a half yearly event, going by the response that we receive from all the players in the teams. All in all, I think this year has been a fantastic season. It's been very, very competitive. I think every team has participated really well in the right spirit, and it's been a wonderful journey. I think the leagues are now completed. We had the semis happening today. The finals will happen next Sunday. I would request everyone to please come, support your team, enjoy. Next Sunday, it's going to be the grand finale of BCF 6. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy.
Participate, and the most important thing what I like for this format is that 1 year they conduct with the red ball, second year they conduct with the white ball. So this combination, actually I'm an old school boy, so I love the red ball game. It's really wonderful tournament the way it is organized. I really appreciate organizer, and we will definitely come back again to play this tournament.
That speaks a lot, the kind of commitment that this tournament, this league is creating. Thanks to Alok, our captain, who took a lot of initiatives to build this team, and I congratulate the entire organizing team for this BCF for organizing it so beautiful, and the grounds are very well organized. And Janapriya Upscale, I will also congratulate them.
Thanks to them that they are coming forward and supporting corporate cricket.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So thanks Team Janapriya
and Columbia Sports Club. Thank you.